Gjatë vizitës në Kosovë, generali amerikan Wesley Clark, përpos takimeve zyrtare, pati edhe një takim të veçantë me një qytetar të Kosovës. Idris Makolli, për të takuar idhullin e tij, priti deri në përfundim të takimit që generali Clark e pati në Ministrinë e Punëve të Jashtme. Makolli me vete kishte edhe një fotografi të tij me generalin të shkrepur në qershor të vitit 1999.
When I was here in 2019, I met your son.
This is document, please.
Yeah, no.
Sorry, but
Yep.
you listen. No, I am here, and you here, please.
That's great.
Mr. Clark, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Idris, no forget, please.
Don't worry.
No forget.
I have
For
this
never.
picture in my office. I have this picture.
Yes, please. This is for you.
Thank you very much. I treasure it.
Maybe you forget. I know forget.
I'll tell you something.
Okay.
You asked me how I feel, okay?
Yeah.
Look, of course, this was a wonderful day in Pristina. I was here with Secretary General Solana, and neither he nor I expected this, and suddenly there were tens of thousands of people in the street. But this picture showed the world the value of what we did. I don't think people understood it until they saw it.
Thank you very much.
So,
Thank you very much.
we're not going to put
Clark, pas takimit me ministren e jashtme Gërvalla, u takua dhe me krerët tjerë shtetëror të Kosovës.